Hello, my name is Kevin Walsh. I'm a lecturer in the archaeology department in the University of York in Great Britain. Despite the fact that I work in the University of York, for the last 25 years or so, I've worked in the Mediterranean, working on human environment interactions over the longue durée, so trying to understand how landscapes have developed. And within the TerrACE project, my role is very much to put each of the TerrACE sites into their context, understanding the broader questions of settlement patterns, the organisation of the landscape, what kinds of farming activities were taking place when each of these terrace systems was actually installed in the landscape. And then related to that, part of my role is to think about how we can present these broader findings to the general public, explaining, for example, that one terrace system might date to the Bronze Age, so 4,000 years ago on Crete, for example, thinking about how that relates to the wider Minoan civilization. We have hopefully a site near Stymphalus on the Peloponnese in Greece, which will probably be dated to the Roman period. So they're explaining to people how that landscape was used and developed during that period. Then in the Alps, which is my other area of interest, we have a terrace system which is probably dated to the medieval period, but is part of a long-term history of how people have used a very enigmatic and sometimes problematic landscape. But all of these different sites are designed to show to the broader European population how and why terrace agriculture is incredibly important, has existed for many centuries, perhaps even for thousands of years in some places. And today this is a system that we need to maintain and protect as it is a sustainable and resilient system.